Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to require a phone number on Calendly. Let's get started. First, go to calendly.com and click on Login at the top right corner. This action will lead you to your dashboard. In here, click on the event you want to require a phone number in. Then this right panel will open. At the very bottom of this panel, click on More Options. Then click on Invitee Form. Next, just scroll down, then click on this Add New Question option right here. Next, you are going to type in your question or your prompt in this first field. For example, let's type in your phone number. Then, click on this box to make this question mandatory. Next, click on this field under the answer type, then choose phone number. Lastly, just click on Save Changes down here to save your changes. And that is how you can require a phone number on Calendly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.